Might as well welcome to my world, and if you're new to my channel, at the moment I'm building a stealthy off-grid, go anywhere, sleep anywhere camper van, and today I'm going to talk about my plumbing, talk about my pipes works, yeah, my plumbing, my water works. Right, so my water is kept in this container here. Now this tank is the same tank that I use the other side for my diesel, and originally I was going to put these tanks inside the van just behind that bulkhead there, but I realised I need to balance the weight out a little bit. Like, it was getting all a bit one-sided, so I thought I need to get the water on this side of the van. So that's why I've gone for this other tank here, and I've fixed it in exactly the same manner as I did that one. Now I must not get confused. I must put a diesel sticker on there and a water tank sticker on that one. This is non-drinking water, by the way. I'm not going to be drinking the water that's in this tank. It's purely for washing up, like doing dishes, knives and forks, the odd cup, and maybe brush my teeth in the morning. So that's all that water's for. I've also still got that spare one. I did buy two of these, but the other one's inside, and I'm going to use that as a grey water tank as and when I need to. But yeah, I'll go inside and show you that. But before I go, I'll show you the water pump. Now the water pump's one of these little centrifugal pumps. They're not very powerful, but I didn't really want a powerful pump because I've only got a limited amount of water. So yeah, and you don't really need, I mean, I haven't got a shower or anything like that, so I just need a little trickle of water just to rinse me knives and forks in my cup. I'll show you the pump if I can. Don't know if this will turn around in there and go in there. There you go. There's the pump on the end of the pipe, just in there. I'm bashing my camera everywhere. Yeah, I'll say it's only a little cheap one. I think they're only about £7, if that. Readily available anywhere. I'll put a link down below because I'm nice like that. I'll also put a link below for the tanks as well. So right, that's where the water's kept, and that's where it's stored, that's where it's all coming from. Let's jump inside and I'll show you where it's going. So I'm inside the van. I'll show you what the water, where the water goes. Right, so here's the tap. Obviously, the water comes out of there like it does. It just turns. It's just a little trickle. Nothing really fast. But I didn't want anything fast. I just need a little bit of a trickle of water just to, yeah, rinse my cup, rinse my knives and forks and my plates. That's all I need, which is perfect. So yeah, absolutely. I'm really chuffed with that. I mean, it doesn't look like a lot of water comes out of there, but it can still empty that little tank probably within 10 minutes, maybe longer, I don't know. But anyway, that's what I wanted. I wanted it to not come out too fast. Now, when it comes out the tap, it goes in the sink, obviously, and then runs down my waste pipe and then into my grey water tank, which was originally a freshwater tank. And like I said, I bought two of these to go the other side of this cupboard, but because of the weight distribution, I decided to put the main tank in the back and to the other side. So when I'm in a sensitive area, like on your driveway, say, I'll have my grey water tank connected up like that. But if I'm parked up in some old industrial estate, which is more the case, more likely than ever, probably where I'll spend most of my time when I'm sleeping in this van, outside various warehouses and stuff. So yeah, when I'm in that situation, I can just have the water draining straight out of the floor. And to do that, I simply unplug the back of this. If I can get the camera, I probably can't do this one-handed. Just pull out the back of the tank. Let's move it out of the way. I'll make the floor wet, and then it will go into the floor like that, into this pipe that's sticking out of the floor. There you go. So that's where it's probably end up most of the time, just sticking in that pipe, and then the water goes down through the floor, along, and drops out around about here onto the road, and then down the drain. Now originally I just had a little stubby pipe there, and when I tried it out, all the water ran along the sill of the van and just trickled down like a little waterfall. Not very stealthy whatsoever, so I've had to change that. I went and bought another bit of this pipe, only like ½ a metre, and that's all I needed, just so that it would run along the bottom of the van into the middle, so the water drops down from the centre of the van. So if anyone's walking past this side or this side, they can't see the water running out of the van. That's the idea anyway, hopefully. So yeah, there you go, there's my sink. I'm really pleased with it. I've got another little light up here. Just show you this, see what it looks like. That goes on like that. So there you go, I can see it's nice and bright now. And there's my other stove there as well, because I've only got one gas ring on that sink. So I bought this in case I wanted to make a feast. Very unlikely it's going to get used, but it's there if I need it. There you are. So that's my waterworks. That's how it's all plumbed in, and that's how it's all going to work. Really simple, nothing high tech, no pressure sensing pumps or anything like that needed. I mean, I was going to put a foot pump down, but I'm being so clumsy I'll probably end up tripping over that, so I opted out of that option. I decided not to do that and go for a little centrifugal pump. It's not too powerful, it works, you know, it's controllable. I'm not going to waste any water, hopefully, by using that. So there you go. Right, I'm off. That about wraps this up. Take care for now. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. And if you're new to my channel, yeah, do subscribe and hit the notification bell. That way you won't miss any of these amazing videos. Ta-ra for now.